Welcome to HWM Aston Martin and welcome to this Timeless Vanquish Coupe. Finished in ceramic grey, this particular car was registered in July 2016 and was originally our demonstrator, and then from there on in had one owner from there. With a full HWM service history, this particular vehicle has covered 3,250 miles from new. Let's take a bit of a look around some of the options and features of this car, but also this vehicle being a 16 model year would have had the updated gearbox. So this is an 8-speed Vanquish with all the additional changes that they made to the car. So as we say, finished in ceramic grey, which is a beautiful paint colour. It's a very dark grey with sort of a black silver fleck in the paint. And this particular car has had a full PPF wrap on the front up to the end of the wings and the bonnet, as well as the lower bumpers. Styled in a bit more of a traditional finish, we have the Magnum silver bonnet meshes along with the bright finish grille, and as you can see around the side here we have the bright finish side strake and also the bright finish window surround. New for 15 model year was the availability of this new design wheel, which was a 10-spoke gloss black and diamond turned, and hidden behind this wheel we also have a black brake caliper on this car. Some of the changes that they made for the 8-speed Vanquish was not just the gearbox, but they reconfigured the brake pedal feel as well as the suspension feedback and the way it was damped on the road, but also some significant changes on the interior with the introduction of AMI2, so an updated version of the infotainment that you had on Vanquish 13 model year. But some telltale signs on the car are the step that you have on the platform, which was some extra bracing on the vehicle, and then the other items like the Bosch engine management, you couldn't actually see that detail. That was just part of the car. Moving around the back of the car, we also have Vanquish didn't have any other option other than having the red rear lights. We also have the chrome tailpipes, and also inside the vehicle in the boot, having used carbon fibre throughout the car, using it on the boot floor helped Aston create a very cavernous boot space on the back of Vanquish. Moving you around onto some of the interior features and trims on this vehicle. This particular car we specified as a demonstrator with the Obsidian black hide, and then the seat accents were finished in Alcantara. And to contrast, we had the cream truffle welting and coarse stitching throughout the door cards, the seats, and also on the dash. A 177 steering wheel with Alcantara sides was specified, and then your standard features that you would ordinarily find on our product with Bluetooth stereo DAB radio, and also your Bang & Olufsen 1000-watt stereo system. This vehicle is available on our website at hwmastonmartin.co.uk. You can reserve the car online, and you can have a play on our finance calculator, which will give you some idea of costs should you be looking to go down that path. Thank you very much.